Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And for today's video, I'm going to test a new mascara, and I have this one by Makeup Forever. This is what I have on my lashes right now, and I'm going to show you how I've created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. For today's video, I have a new mascara to test, but before that, I'm going to use some of my favorite makeup products to do a simple makeup look. Right now, I have just my eyebrows on, and for my eyebrows, I've used this Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 4. I like this eyebrow pencil, it's very easy to use, very good, and I really like that it's very long lasting. And for my foundation today, I'm going to use again this Water Fresh foundation by Chanel. I've used this foundation for the first time in my last video, and I have to say that I really like this one. My skin looked very fresh, and I was very surprised to see that this foundation is pretty long lasting. But if you want to see first impression for this foundation, I definitely recommend you to check my last video. I like to apply this one first with my hands or with a brush, and then I like to go over with a beauty blender to press the foundation into the skin and to get rid of the brush marks. Next I'll use my bronzer, and I have this Rare Beauty stick bronzer in the shade Happy Soul. I like this one because it has a natural finish and is very easy to apply. Moving on to my concealer, I'm going to use this DIOR Backstage concealer. This concealer is not amazing, but I like the color and I like that it's very brightening, so I'm going to use it on my under eyes and as my eyeshadow primer. I have to set the concealer fast or will start to crease, so I'm going to use this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder that I really like. This powder is amazing, it's very finely milled, sets everything in place very nicely, but also blurs my skin a little bit, so I really like this one. And for my blush today, I'm going to use this Benefit blush in the shade Crystah. This one is very pretty on me. I really like the color. It's a gorgeous pink shade. You have to be a little bit careful with the application because this blush is very pigmented, but I really like the color and how long-lasting this one is. And I will go over with my sponge with whatever's left from my foundation, and I will blend out the edges to make sure there's no harsh lines. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to use this e.l.f. baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. This one is very finely milled and the finish is very pretty, so it's affordable and also very good. Moving on to my eyes, for my eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped eyeshadow palette. I mentioned in my last video that I might use again the Love Fest eyeshadow palette in today's video, but I've already used that eyeshadow palette in my last two videos, and I have to say that it's not my favorite eyeshadow palette at the moment, but this one by Too Faced is. So I really want to use this eyeshadow palette today because it's very good. The colors are creamy, pigmented, and long lasting. So I'm going to start with this Cocoa Glow all over the eyelids and on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this one to blend out the edges. Next, I will take this Sun's Out glitter shade and I'll use this all over the eyelids. I want to put some of the Sun's Out glitter shade on the lower lashes. I want to blend a little bit of this black sand on the outer portion of my eyes. And I will go over with my concealer brush to clean the under eyes. For today's video, I have a new mascara to test, and I'm very curious to try the new Makeup Forever mascara. I have the Professional mascara by Makeup Forever. I don't know if this is the only mascara they have, but this is my first mascara by Makeup Forever. So I have this the ProfessionALL or the Professional mascara. I hope I pronounced this right. So this is a volumizing mascara in 2 steps. You have to layer the both steps for intense lash to lash volume. I want to read a little bit about the product. This is supposed to lift and volumize your lashes for up to 24 hours. This mascara is sweat proof, suitable for sensitive eyes, and infused with very complex for thicker looking lashes. This is a 24-hour flake free wear, so it's volumizing, lengthening, curling, and long wearing, which I like. So step 1, lift, provide lift and separation, and step 2, volume. Sounds amazing. So let's open this one to see how the mascara look, because I'm very curious. So this is how the mascara look. It's definitely very interesting. I don't think I've ever had something like this, a double-ended mascara. So it's definitely something new for me. And let's see how the brush for each step look. This is step 1, lift. The brush is very tiny, like very tiny brush. And step 2 for volume. Okay, regular size for the brush. It's a little bit scented. So this mascara has all the claims that I look in a mascara. Supposed to lift, to give volume, it's waterproof, sweatproof, and so on. So sounds amazing. But I'm very curious to see how much time I have to spend to coat my lashes with this one, because it is already in 2 steps. And I don't really know how much time I need to coat my lashes with this mascara, but we will see right now. So I'll move on and apply this one on my lashes, and I'm going to start with this eye first and apply step 1 on my top and bottom lashes first to see the difference between the 2 sides, and also to see the finish with just this step 1. So this is the result with just step 1. Let's apply step 2 on this eye. I really want to add another layer because I want to see how my lashes will look with another layer on. So I'm going to add another layer of this step 2 to see how my lashes will look. Okay, my lashes look crazy right now with 2 layers of this step 2 on. So I really like how my lashes look on this eye. As you can see, is a big difference, and the fact that I don't have to spend so much time to apply the mascara is amazing. Even though we have 2 steps, and I thought that I will spend so much time applying my mascara, but it's not the case, so I'm pretty impressed. So I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm not going to add another layer because I feel like if I apply another layer, the lashes will get very clumpy. So I'm going to apply the mascara on this eye, and I'll do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I am very impressed about this mascara. Look at how good my lashes look on this side. This is definitely my good side of my lashes, but also with this side. I feel like on this side they are not separated very well, but on this side, amazing. So I'm going to finish with the makeup look and give you my final impressions for this mascara after I apply something on my lips. And on my lips I'm going to apply these two. I have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in 2.0 Rusty Pink, and for my lipstick I'm going to use this Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. This Huda Beauty lip liner is good, but the formula is very creamy, and if you want to sharpen it, you'll get the lip liner in this little sharpener. So I don't reach for this one as much. So final impressions for my new mascara by Makeup Forever. I have to say that I'm rarely impressed when I first try mascara, but for today I was very impressed because I really like how easy it is to use. You could definitely use just step 1 for a no makeup look, or for an everyday makeup look, because this little wand for the step 1 is very good and grip every lash that you have. So the step 1 is very good for a very natural finish in the lifted lashes. So the step 2 is very good for volume. I have long lashes, and when I search for a mascara I look for volume and also the mascara to curl my lashes. So I feel like this mascara curled my lashes, lifted them and volumized them. So I really like it. The step 2 is much more wet and will immediately coat your lashes. So for now I am very impressed. Of course I am very curious about the wear because I want my lashes to look the same all day long. I don't like my mascara to smash throughout the day. So I will definitely wear this again and test it to see if it's long lasting, waterproof and so on. And I'll definitely update you in my next video about the wear. But for now, I really like it. But I would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. Please let me know if you like the result with this mascara. And also, please let me know if you have this mascara and if you like it. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!